Hello, I'm Manav Sungvi with the Shiva Atomatrons, team number 18385. And if there was one thing I would tell my younger self about FIRST, it would be to be active and stay active. I've been participating in FIRST ever since I was around 6, starting with FLL Junior, then to FLL. After a 4-year break from FIRST, I joined the Atomatrons and participated in FTC. This year I had the opportunity to teach LEGO Robotics to middle schoolers and was amazed in seeing them become truly interested in what I was teaching. I then realized I had not been this interested during my middle school years. I was not truly active in my previous FIRST efforts. This is why I would tell myself to be and stay active. There are many things I could have learned and many things that would have helped me now if I had just been active with my learning and wanted to truly advance in my learning. Although I missed out on learning things earlier, I know it is never too late, and I've been glad to be active in my efforts now. And I encourage everyone on every team to be active in their FIRST and STEM learning, not just for your team, but for yourself and for your future.